Hey, where are we? Because I can't see them.
Well, it should be coming on my side.
To the right?
Hey, look, this is the road Eisenhower right here. Josh's road. Should be coming up on my side. I don't even see the sign anywhere. I'm not going to see. Look, Wells Fargo, ATM.
Watch out, McDonald's.
There's a Wells Fargo ATM. Oh, right here, look. See it? Oh, CC's right here.
Where?
Right here next to Mattress Firm. Oh, it's right there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look, it's here.
Walmart right here. Look, the gas 204. I wonder where there's an E85.
I know, that's what we need. I mean, there's an HEB there. I don't know if it has E85.
There's a McDonald's right here.
Discount tire? Bowl? It's bowl. Right here in the front line.
He's eating and sleeping at the same time.
Smart, right?
He always does this. Look, 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 look. Okay, he woke up. He woke up. Okay. Thanks for watching.